Hi you guys, welcome to My Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be making a Dollar Tree inspired door hanger or yard stake, whichever you prefer. As you can see, previously I just rolled up some 10-inch deco mesh and added it to foam and added a couple of boxwood picks to that. Now I'm just taking a yardstick or paint stirrer and I wrapped it with Dollar Tree Christmas garland that I had left over, and we're going to attach our hearts that we covered with fabric from the Dollar Tree. Those are just the wooden hearts from the Dollar Tree. I painted them on both sides so that I would have a cohesive look. You guys, I want to ask you a really quick favor. If you would, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and consider subscribing to the channel. That would be so awesome and make my day. Okay, so back to business. Now, typically here on My Curious Crafts on Wednesdays, we do Bow Wednesdays, and I teach you how to make various different bows using various bow makers, or sometimes we even use our hands. So in the spirit of keeping up with what we traditionally do, I wanted to make sure that I put a bow tutorial in here. Really quickly, you guys, I want to tell you about the Pro Bow the Hand. This is an excellent bow maker. It gets a lot of crap because people don't take the time to practice. It's all about practice. Practice will give you perfection. But this bow maker is consistently going to give you outstanding looking bows every time. You don't have to worry about it. It will give you an excellent looking bow every time without fail. And this bow is the one that's going to be the center of attraction in the middle of the door hanger or the yard stake, however you want to utilize this project today. It will be the one that's in the middle. The other ones I either use another bow maker or they're hand tied. By the way, I'm not sponsored. I just really love this bow maker. Can't you tell? And look, if you look very closely, you guys know where most of that ribbon is from. Well, 3 of the 4 is from the Dollar Tree. I'm sure you've seen it in your stores, and you guys know Dollar Tree ribbon is not great. And if you guys wouldn't mind following us on other social media, that would be great. We are My Curious Crafts on Facebook and YouTube, of course, and My Curious Crafts TX on Instagram. We're going to go ahead and finish up this bow so I can show you guys the finished product. You guys, I know that I have so many crafty friends out there, and I want to take this opportunity to invite you to join the design group over on Facebook, My Curious Crafts, so that you can share with all of us over there your fabulous creations. I'm sure you're going to wow us. So I've extended the invite. See you soon. Bye-bye.